This week with our sentences, we will be practicing copying environmental print. So what that means is what we've already been doing. Every time I write a sentence up here for our sight word of the day, and you copy it onto your sight word page, that's copying environmental print. I write it first, and then you copy me. You just mimic what I've written. So that's what we're going to work on today. I will write the typical sentences that I normally do, and then you will copy it on your sight word page at the bottom. In our writing journal, you will copy the sentence stem, like the beginning. Like last week it was, I like blank and blank. You filled in the blanks, but you copied I like and. That's what we're going to work on this week, because I think here pretty soon I'm going to be talking to you and you will be showing me a sentence that you've written, that you've copied from me. That's the plan. So let's go over our DLO, learn our new sight word, sing a new song, review the old ones, and do our worksheet. So we've got a busy day today. Let's go over our DLO, our daily learning objective. Today I will read and write the sight word Sight word Let's read it one more time together and then I'll explain. Today I will read and write the sight word I know what you're thinking. Well, that's a letter. That's the letter A. Correct. It is the letter A, but when we use it as a word, it changes. We talked about almost every day that vowels make two or more sounds. A can say A can say its name, A can say is the word. If you say I have a dog, we don't say I have a dog. It doesn't flow right, so in our English language, we say The word is Let's listen to the sight word song for it. And in the song it says, A is a letter and it's a word, The word is So if I say, what word is this? You can't say A, because A is a letter, not the word. Okay, let's spell it and read it 3 times. It's going to sound funny, but we have to practice it. How do we spell it? A. What's the word? How do we spell it? A. What's the word? One more time. How do we spell it? A. What's the word? Let's listen to the song.
A is a letter, the very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. Here's a hot dog in a bun.
I can only eat just one.
A means one.
A means one.
Oh, A is a letter, the very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. I have a big piece of cake.
Only one, for goodness sake.
A means one.
A means one.
Oh, A is a letter, our very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too.
A is a letter and it's a word too. Here's a hot dog in a bun. So, is the word, and it means one. So you don't say, I have 2 dogs. No, you say, I have a dog. It means one dog. Okay, let's go over we. We're going to be using we today. Let's spell it and read it 2 times. Ready? W-E, we. One more time. W-E, we. We'll be using we today and our new word see. Let's spell it one time, and then we'll listen to the song. S-E-E, see. Let's listen to the song. It goes S-E-E, S-E-E.
S-E-E, S-E-E. I can spell see. I can spell see. I see my friends who are sitting by me. I see the letters A, B, and C. I see my teacher who's smiling at me. S-E-E, S-E-E. S-E-E, S-E-E. I can read C, I can write C. I see the rainbow across the sky. I see the cloud in the sky so high. I see the birds as they fly on by. S-E-E, S-E-E.
Very good. C. Let's go over one more. Capital I is pretty easy. Let's do the. Do the. Last one. It's just practice. The. Let's spell it and read it. T-H-E. The.
T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. We write the in sentences and read it in books too. I can spell the, how about you? T-H-E, T-H-E, a tricky word for you and me. We read and write the many times a day. T-H-E, hip hip, hooray!
All right, that's a good review and warm up. What word is this? Like. Let's spell it. L-I-K-E. Like. What word is this? I. How do we spell it? Capital I. And one more. What word is this? And. Let's spell it and read it. A-N-D. And. Okay, our quick little review and warm up. Our new sight word. Our sentence today is we see a bus. Practicing our copying environmental print, you will copy the sentence like you typically do onto your sentence lines on our worksheet today. So let's write our sentence and then we'll go over the worksheet. Whenever I write, I start on the left at the top. We begin every sentence with a capital letter. Capital letters touch the sky and the ground. Okay, our sentence. We see a bus. First, I need to write my name because on your worksheet, you will need to write your name. Mrs. Hawkins. So my name is Mrs. Hawkins. I start at the top, on the left. Mrs. M-R-S. I need to write a period because it's an abbreviation. Mrs. Hawkins. H A W down, up, K down, kick in, kick out, I down, dot, you know I, N down, hump, you know N, S, you know S, curve left, curve right. Mrs. Hawkins. My date today is September 8th, 2020. So I can write 9-8, make an S and close the gate. That's the way you make an 8-20. All right, my sentence. We see a bus. You're going to copy my sentence just how I do it. Starting with a capital letter. Finger spaces. Tall letters that are supposed to be tall. Short letters that are supposed to be short. We. How do I spell we? W-E. We. But we won't start with a lowercase letter. We always start with a capital letter. Capital W. So it's the sky and it's down, up, up. That should have touched the sky. I did that wrong. Let me erase that. Sometimes I forget to. Oh, my eraser doesn't want to erase. Now, I have to smudge it. I have to use my magic spray when I'm all done. So I should have gone down, up, down, up. There we go. That's better. We, W-E. we, finger space, see. How do I spell see? S-E-E. Finger space, C, S-E-E. We see finger space It's just like writing the letter A. Around, up, down. Don't pick up your pen or your pencil. We see around, up, down. We see bus. Finger space. B is down, up, and around. U is down, up, down. S. We know S, lowercase s. Curve left, curve right. We see a bus. Now I'll add a period. Finally drew my little punctuation board here. Period stops the sentence. Exclamation point tells us our sentence is exciting. We see a bus. But we'll just do a period today. And this is a question mark, and I will ask you to name these. You will be telling me what these are. That's why we're reviewing them. You have to learn them, because when you start writing, you have to end your sentences with punctuation. It tells the reader that you're done with your sentence or your question. This is a question mark, but I didn't ask a question. We see a bus? Not a question. So I'm going to use a period today. We see a bus, and a period sits on the bottom. Now, you will be copying this sentence onto your worksheet. I'll scoot up. I'm not going to have time to show you the entire worksheet, but I'll do the highlights. Don't forget to take your worksheet, tear it off, put these to the side, get my clip. Don't forget to write your name. My name is here. This is Hawkins. Today's date is 9. If I don't have room, I can write it up here. 9-8-20. Trace it. Round up, down. That wasn't very good. Around up, down. A is the letter. Is the word. So trace the word one time, and you could write it 3 times there. The word is Build it. Cut across. Cut out the letter A and glue it there for Find circle it. You know how to do that. In your sentence, you'll copy here. So rewind the video so you can see, we see a bus. I will write it, and then you will copy it. And you'll have space to write it 2 times. I challenge you to write it 2 times to have your best handwriting you can do. We, capital letter, finger space, C, S-E-E, S-E-E. I can spell C. We see the word is spelled with the letter A. We see a bus. B is down, up, and around. U, down, up, down. S, curve left, curve right. End it with a period. Copy it one more time, and that is our new sight word today. We're practicing copying environmental print. So what I write, you write. This is your sentence today. If you write a different sentence, then you're not copying what I'm doing, and that's a focus that we're working on this week, is copying. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and get your sight word page. The word is